What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and in today's episode, guys, I want to do a market review on synthetic indices. All right, guys, thank you so much for your love. Remember to hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime you upload another video. Guys, we are now at 525. We are looking forward to hitting 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. All right, guys, so let's go into it. So I'm on volatility 75 index, and if I gave out this signal, well, it was actually here, and I had said that we were actually looking at an M pattern. If you look at my Telegram group, free Telegram group, then you'll find that I actually gave out this signal, of which it actually ended up playing out almost so many pips. Let's see how many pips were this. It actually played out so many pips. You're looking at around 6,700. And also when it was down here, then I told them that anything that goes down must still go up. It actually played around also another 6,800 pips. So now we are actually at a double top. So I'm actually looking for an overall sell to the downside. If you go to the lower time frame, I'm actually on a 4-hour time frame. If you go to the lower time frame, you see that, let's look at the 1-hour time frame. You see that it's giving us an ascending structure, of which is a very good sign for us, because that's what we are looking for. Yeah, you can see. Let me take this one out. Let's go further down. Yeah, so you can see that on the 15 minutes time frame, once we got close to this level over here, then the market started doing what? Started consolidating to the upside, of which I'm anticipating this market to pull all the way to the downside. So what you can do is that I'm actually already on this. I've actually entered this trade, but I've placed my stop loss already on break even, in case this market might decide to give a bigger correction before it goes to the downside. But the overall move is I'm looking for sell on volatility 75, and these are massive sells. I mean, if you go to the daily time frame, you can see that we are looking for massive sells to the downside. I had said that this is look at that, this was actually an information of which has come to give us another double top, sorry, before we move to the downside. And these are very strong area. You can see these is an area of interest. The market has not been able to break this. We are actually expecting to see normally when you get to this level, there are certain reactions we are expecting, and you can see that this one is trying to come to the downside. So I'm looking for a massive sell to the downside, and I think that this time round volatility 75 might actually break, either come all the way to this level or actually come all the way to this level, because you can see that there's a whole gap here that has actually not been filled. So we are going to watch out and see, but I'm on sales on this one. All right, let's go to our next pair, which is a step index. So this is step index. It's really been consolidating from the daily time frame. Since it got to this level over here, it's really been consolidating in this level. But there are a lot of gaps that actually you can see that the whole of this part over here, all this is something that once this thing takes off, it's coming all the way to the downside. So I still have a sell bias on step index. All right, I still have a sell bias on step index. You can see even this high over here, it has actually reached there. So in case it just breaks to the upside, this will become our areas of interest. Remember, we have to cater for the probable and also the possible. All right, yeah, it doesn't mean that we are actually fixated, but definitely I'm looking for selling opportunities. Let's go lower. So you can see on the 4-hour time frame, you can see it's really big consolidating in this place. But you can see now we had this impulse move. It could actually be maybe giving us this correction over here before now it just takes off. So we are watching this step index, but I have a strong sell bias on this. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, so you can see that on the 1-hour time frame, we have this structure here. We have that, and then let's just clone this and bring it here. Okay, so if you're looking for multi-touch confirmation, then we will still wait maybe for this market. This market could actually right now could come here, give us this 1 2 3 before now it actually takes off to the downside. So let's see how this is gonna play out, of which you can still take advantage of these movements and to just bank some cash, take some short-term buys in here. But well, the strong bias is that I'm looking for selling opportunities. The last one that I'm looking for is volatility 51s. So yeah, so this is volatility 51s. We are actually on the daily time frame, and you can see also on the daily time frame we have actually reached that high over there. All right, and you can see the market is very bearish, trying to pull to the downside. So you can see that this is the lowest point of our target. So you can see we have 1 2 and we have 3 touches, of which I'm actually anticipating for this market to move to the downside. Let's go to lower time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, so on the 4-hour time frame you can see that the market has been moving in an impulse move. It has a very beautiful structure: impulse move, correction, impulse move, correction, impulse move. So it's been actually some sort of like consolidating once it got to this level over here. So let's see, we can actually draw our structure over here, and you can see that on the 4-hour time frame it has actually broken out. Okay, let's go to the 1-hour time frame and see. On the 1-hour time frame, oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so on the 1-hour time frame you can see that we have actually broken out of this structure impulsively. So perhaps this one is just doing this before it takes off. So you can take some trades, and then you can actually begin by targeting this level over here. So also on volatility 51s, I also have a sell bias on this one as well. And as you can see that this has been an area of the market that has not been able to break. So we're actually expecting to see some reactions once you go to this level over here. You can see there's been a rejection here. The market has broken out, trying to consolidate right now, and then to move to the downside. So also on volatility 51s, I am looking to sell it to the downside. Okay guys, so that's what we have today on these synthetic indices. Leave us a comment, tell us where you're watching from. Remember to like and to subscribe to our channel. Remember to share. Remember to turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime we post something new. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the next episode. Cheers.